Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design my account page in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are already in your admin panel of WordPress. Then you will need just to go to your themes and then seek for our appearance and then we'll go to the themes. And by going to the themes, you will be able to start adding themes to your website. And basically, this is Astra that is creating a website for the WooCommerce store. Also, you can choose for other WooCommerce stores that you can add. For example, here I'm just going to type WooCommerce and let's just go to add a new theme and then search for some themes that would allow you or tools that will allow you to customize your account page. So basically here we can find as many uh, WooCommerce websites or stores, and you can choose anyone. And basically, it will allow you to have a builder like Astra that I have here, and it will have some customization things. And let's just wait for the page to reload here. And after that, we will see some feature to start. As you can see, having all the customization on your account page or any page that you want to do. And also, we can seek for other plugins that would do the work. So here in WooCommerce, I will just go and type my account page, for example, and then we will find some extension that will give us the option of designing or modifying the account page. So from here, I'm just going to type my account page, and basically already you can see that there is a My Account page editor that will allow you to customize your customers' My Account page. And from here, you can start adding these UIs, or you can design your customer account page using such extensions. And of course, you might also find some plugins instead of extensions, and you will find them here in the WooCommerce, or you will find uh, in the menu here, such WP form, you will find, for example, my account page editor, or you will find it here in the sub menu. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.